Hi friends, welcome to Learn Kannada series. You are learning one of the most beautiful languages of the world, Kannada. This is Kannada QuickBytes #10. In continuation of Possessive Adjectives in Kannada, Part 2, in this video you'll learn sentences and usage examples of his, avana, her, avala, their, avara or ivara. Avana, again it's a singular usage. You want to say talk to him, avana jote matanadu. Avana jote, with him, matanadu, talk to him. Avana jote matanadu. Avana jote matanadu. You like somebody's voice and the voice is really good, you can say avana dhwani, voice, avana voice or dhwani ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವನ ಧ್ವನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. His voice, ಅವನ ಧ್ವನಿ or ಅವನ voice ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. You want to know how many fruits is there with him or how much of the money is there with him or how many houses are with him. You can say avana bali. Bali means with him. Avana bali ಎಷ್ಟು, how much, ಎಷ್ಟು. ಹಣ್ಣು ಇದೆ, ಹಣ್ಣು is fruits. ಇದೆ means you're asking how much he has with him. ಇದೆ. ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ್ಣು ಇದೆ or ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಇದೆ. ಹಣ is money. ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಇದೆ. ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. So usage of avana, you can use it like this. ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಇದೆ, ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ್ಣು ಇದೆ, or ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಇದೆ. Know about Kannada and Karnataka facts. The state. Did you know? Originally known as the state of Mysore, the state was renamed as Karnataka in 1973. It is the only southern state to have land borders with all of the other 4 southern Indian sister states. Karnataka is the 8th largest state by population, comprising 31 districts. Avala. Avala ಕೂದಲು ಉದ್ದ ಇವೆ. She has a long hair. ಅವಳ ಕೂದಲು, ಕೂದಲು is hair. ಉದ್ದ is long. ಇವೆ, ಇವೆ are ಇದೆ. ಅವಳ ಕೂದಲು ಉದ್ದ ಇವೆ. She has long hair. ಅವಳ ಕೂದಲು, hair, ಕೂದಲು. ಉದ್ದ, long. ಇವೆ. You want to tell your kid or anyone, don't quarrel with her. ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ, ಅವಳ, her, ಜೊತೆ with her. ಜಗಳ, quarrel. ಆಡಬೇಡ. ಬೇಡ means don't do it. Meaning of ಬೇಡ is don't do. ಆಡಬೇಡ means don't quarrel or don't play. Don't quarrel. ಜಗಳ ಆಡಬೇಡ means don't quarrel with her. ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಜಗಳ. ಜಗಳ is quarrel. ಆಡಬೇಡ. ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ or ಜಗಳ ಆಡಬೇಡ. You can use both the ways. ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಜಗಳ ಆಡಬೇಡ. Another easiest way to use ಅವಳ is go to her house. ಅವಳ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು. You go to her house. ಅವಳ ಮನೆ. Her house. ಅವಳ ಮನೆ. ಗೆ. ಗೆ, when it comes ಗೆ, it is to. ಮನೆಗೆ means to home. Office ಗೆ means to office. ಅವಳ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಹೋಗು is to go. ಅವಳ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು. Know about Kannada Karnataka facts. Companies. Did you know? Since the 1980s, Karnataka has emerged as a pan-India leader in the field of information technology. Karnataka also leads the nation in biotechnology. Karnataka is the manufacturing hub for some of the largest public sector industries in India, including Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), National Aerospace Laboratories (NAL), Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL), Bharat Earth Movers Limited (BEML). Many of India's premier science and technology research centers such as Indian Space Organization, Central Power Research Institute, Bharat Electronics Limited, and the Central Food Technologies Research Institute are also headquartered in Karnataka. So how do you say she is doing yoga with them? With bunch of people. If somebody is doing yoga, you want to say ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವಳು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ, with them. Avara is them. Jote means with. Avalu, she is doing the yoga. Maduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ is doing. To do something is madu. Maduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means for feminine. Maduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ is for the guy. And maduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ is with respect or to address to group of people. Here, one girl is doing yoga with some bunch of people. You can say ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವಳು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವಳು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Okay, rarely this happens, but if at all somebody is a joint family, you can say ಅವರದು ಒಟ್ಟು ಕುಟುಂಬ. Kutumba is family. Ottu kutumba is to address somebody like a joint family concept who are living as a joint family. Avaradu ottu kutumba. Avaradu ottu kutumba. Avaru is there. Avaradu means their something. Avaradu family. Ottu kutumba is their joint family. You can say avaradu. Their family is a joint family. Avaradu ottu kutumba. Okay, you're trying to inquire about somebody and you want to know which car they have. You can say avara hattira yava car ide. Avara hattira yava car ide. So avara means there, hattira means with them, yava. You will ask yava for some non-living objects. Yaru is for human beings. Here, yava car, which car? Ide. So which is the car, that make that they have? Avara hattira yava car ide. The same question, you can use it ivara hattira. Ivara hattira. So ivara kind of indicates these people. So ivara hattira yav car ide? Which is a car that these guys have? Ivara is these guys. Avara is there, those guys. Avara and ivara. You will say ivara is somebody is next to you or very near to you. You can say ivara hattira yav car ide? Somebody is standing far away, or you want to say somebody away from you and you want to ask which car they have, you will say avara hattira yav car ide? Ivara, avara. Okay, fantastic. I think you're learning very well. I hope you appreciate how easy it is to learn the Kannada language. Here is the Kannada question of the day. Avara jote avanu hoda. Avara jote avanu hoda. Let us know if you know the meaning of this, and you can put your comments in the chat box below. Avara jote avanu hoda.
Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Please like and subscribe. You can check out more and more videos. The links are given below in the description. It is youtube.com/c/Kannada Magic. Thanks for all your support.